Student Response System Screencast, created by Annette D. Bowles for course TEC 546, Grand Canyon University, June 7th, 2011. Student response systems are also called clickers when used in the classroom at the K through 12 and higher educational levels. The student response system, or SRS, was introduced to the classroom in the 1980s. These educational institutions embraced clickers and SRC as a pedagogical tool that would increase student achievement, increase student interaction with peers and teachers in the classroom, and motivate the reluctant learner to participate in class discussion. What are student response systems, or clickers? They are handheld remote control devices that students use to respond to the questions that the teacher is asking. The questions are answered by using the clicker. This device is a type of communication between the teacher, the student, and peers in the classroom. Does SRS and clickers have instructional benefits? Yes, they do. They measure student participation. They measure the student's response and feedback of the teacher in real time. They also measure students paying close attention to the questions that are being asked by professors or teachers. They turn dull classrooms into interactive classrooms. They turn student-centered classrooms into a dynamic class experience. Student engagement is a result of SRS, student immediate feedback to the teacher, and teacher immediate feedback to the students are a result of student response systems. They also measure assessment and learning in the classroom. SRS are data driven decision making tools. SRS are differentiating pedagogical tools that track students that need intervention because they cannot master the objectives set up in the classroom by the district or the state level. Student response systems can be used and incorporated into existing classroom technology, such as smartboards, assessment items, and data management systems. The data management system can track student performance in the classroom at the district level and state level. SRS are also used to register students' comments and answers as the teacher checks for understanding and misconception with this data. Teacher can intervene when identifying individual students struggling to master objectives. SRS and clickers put the fun back in classrooms and in education. They encourage students to work with each other in cooperative learning groups, and they encourage students to pay attention when the teacher is presenting lectures or asking questions. SRS are data. SRS are effective mechanisms for collecting data. They also track performance of learning outcomes, student achievement, and program effectiveness. SRS data can be used to assess the academic progress of all students. Student response systems are used at every level of education, K through 12, higher level educational institution. They all use clickers to assess their students. These clicker and SRC systems are data driven by collecting data on each individual student. One of the biggest disadvantages of student response systems or clickers are the cost and training of the faculty. These two things causes administration and teachers from not purchasing or investing in student response system. The cost of student response system can range from $4,799 to $5,999. Administration cannot bear to spend this amount on 4 classrooms or more. Even though the results of student response systems have been positive, though communication is wireless from the student handheld device to the teacher's PC. But it is a high cost for many small districts in many small states. The SRS system will become popular in the educational system when it is more affordable for all districts in this country.